that Comrade D. Mnangagwa be and is hereby appointed as the interim president and first secretary of ZANU-PF, pending ratification by the Extraordinary Congress scheduled for the 12th to the 7th December 2017. That Grace Mugabe be and is hereby recalled from the position of Secretary for Women's League of ZANU-PF for promoting hate speech, divisiveness, and assuming roles and powers not delegated to her office.
The president is there. No, the president has not been formally, recalled, but that process is coming and it will be ratified.